The national flag is blue. I've also covered the red ensign version, but in this episode we're looking at this shading. Yes, the Australian white ensign is a thing. This flag was first used on the 1st of March 1967 on the commissioned merchant ship Boonaroo. Only in Australia would you find Boonaroo as a legitimate name. The history goes back to the 1909 Imperial Conference, when the question of what flag should the Australian Navy fly. While a white ensign was advised, it was never officially agreed, so Navy ships flew the Navy-coloured national flag. However, the conversation kept going until it was agreed that they could fly the British Royal Navy white ensign. Until that is in October 1965, when member for Batman, the division of Batman, part of the Victoria State, Mr. Benson MP, re-energized the discussion once more. His argument at the time was that Australia was involved in the Vietnam War, but their ships were flying the British Navy flag, a country which was not involved in the conflict. It was finally agreed that this white version of the Australian national flag was to replace the British ensign. It took nearly 18 months to be made official. This was because it had to go through the Naval Board, then go by the Prime Minister, who then had to get formal approval from Her Majesty the Queen Elizabeth II. Royal assent was granted on the 7th of November 1966. The naval white version of the Australian flag. Let me know your thoughts about this, the red or the blue version, in the comments below.